Cindy with Magazine Mama. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create a PDF presentation for your magazine template using Mac Preview. This is for those of you who may be using Photoshop CS5 and may not have the option to automate in Photoshop to create it that way. So here's another way you can do it. So we've got our files flattened as JPEGs in a folder. Then you're going to open up Preview. Okay, so now that Preview is open, you'll go in Preview and click File, Open, and you'll select the first JPEG image from the folder. It'll pull it up right there. Now you'll want to go in the top left drop down box and click on Thumbnails, so that way you can see the thumbnails on the side in the sidebar. And from here, all you're going to do is select the rest of the files from your folder, highlight them, and just drag them in the sidebar. So after we have them all in order, we're going to select them all. Just hold down the Shift key and click on them. And once they are selected, go to File, Print. Now down at the bottom there will be a drop down that says PDF. So click on Save as PDF, and then you're going to want to name it. I'll name this Wedding Magazine, and then put the PDF extension .pdf, and then I will save it to the desktop. So now you see here is my Wedding Magazine PDF. Open that up, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.